Hello, my name is Lucy and I teach stop motion animation. Stop motion animation is created by taking pictures of an object or character, moving it a small bit, then taking another picture. You can take up to 24 frames or pictures per second to create movement. We usually stick to around 12 frames per second. Today I will be showing you how to make an animation about our changing environment at home using a tablet or smartphone, a free app and some simple materials. Some top tips. Number 1. Keep the camera still at all times. Number 2. Make your characters at least 10 centimeters high. Number 3. Make small movements between frames or photos. Here's a film I made at home with my son. Keep a close eye on what moves and changes. Check out our accompanying worksheet to get you started.